Hey guys, so we're gonna do another mukbang. I got some chips and dip because that's what I eat.
I'm getting ready to make another burger.
Yeah, he made those burgers look like steak burgers. You know what I'm saying?
They're good.
Yeah. I think we got tired of not eating real food because we really haven't had very much food in the house for a few reasons.
This is a really good burger.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
It looks very like it doesn't have a lot of fat in it. I was gonna buy 7-layer dip, but I made it instead. But it's not 7 layers. It's refried beans, no daisy. French onion dip, cheese sauce, salsa,
Sour cream.
yeah, a little bit. And that's all, folks. It's really good.
You want a honey bun? Or like a... No, I want one. Hi, Daisy. What are you doing? So Daisy's on normal activity now.
Did we even tell them that she got spayed?
Yeah, we made a whole video about it. The day she came home.
Oh yeah.
She's on normal activity after her spay now. She was on that, what, 2 days ago?
Longer than that.
She's normal. Yeah, whatever. She's normal now.
I was kind of weird that day, so
Yeah.
I don't remember it very well. I was really sad.
Yeah. Oh, Chloe wants some attention now, too. Gave them some flea medicine because they seem to be struggling with fleas or whatever.
I don't know
Chloe
why.
especially, but I don't know why. We've given them, you know, all the flea stuff and all that kind of whatever. So we gave them some flea medicine, and they seem to not be itching as much. Nala ate a cookie by herself today. Not a cookie,
whole
but
cookie.
she ate like half a cookie by herself, and then a whole little Lindendorf chocolate by herself. I'm gonna go get a honey bun. But
Okay.
yeah, you can contemplate on that for a second.
A little bitty kid ate a whole chocolate, and I'm like, is she okay? I'm on my period.
Do what, baby?
I told him I was on my period.
Okay. I'm not. I
When
haven't
I'm
been on
on-
my period in 21 years. So I don't know when it's gonna come.
When I'm on my period, he's on his period.
Yeah, sure. I'm just on my walking on eggshells. I'm kidding, babe.
But we both know you're not.
Anyway,
This is really good.
before I have to sleep on the couch tonight, BlizzCon.
When would I ever tell you to sleep on the couch?
I don't know. I was saying something.
Huh?
Huh? I said I
What?
was saying something.
Sorry. Hey, it's a burping video too.
Oh yeah, that's true. I'm trying to build up gases for you. But no. I just need a Dr. Pepper. Those things make me burp like crazy. But no.
Because they nasty.
BlizzCon happened today, so I was watching. Not online. I didn't buy the virtual tickets because that was a waste of money. But I was watching the announcements as they're coming through. Cool new hero. There we go. I knew there was one coming. Cool new hero. I watched the Overwatch World Cup or whatever. South Korea, man. I mean, the only team that came close was the USA, and we had to face them in the first round though. So, yay us. I kind of wanted America to win.
Yeah, because you're American.
Well, and I like Sinatra.
Was he sad?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure they win like a prize of $1 million.
Okay, he was sad.
Yeah. That's a good honey bun.
Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh, I'm getting full.
Hi, Daisy.
She's begging.
She's hardcore begging.
She used to whine when she would beg, but she figured out that
It doesn't work that way. If she wants something, she just needs to stand there and wait.
so she started to where she like put her head
I'm
on
gonna
your
have
leg.
diarrhea for days.
Dang, babe.
Oh, I've only had 2 glasses. What? I'm drinking.
That's gross.
How is it gross?
You're not a puppy dog.
Daisy, do you want some wine?
You can't have grapes.
They like orange juice, though.
Is that a muscle?
Yeah, right there. That's the bone, right here.
That's that indention?
The indention's the bone, and there's muscle on either side.
Oh. I was like, dang, I got some guns. Oh, next to his. I look like nothing.
No, Daisy! Oh, she's in the frame. She's cute, but no, Daisy. Hello, baby.
So, December, we're going to Kauai. How it's gonna happen?
We've yet to make up our minds on that. I don't know if I'm selling a kidney or she's selling half her liver. We don't know yet.
We don't know.
But we'll, you know.
It's gonna happen.
Yeah. Gonna have one. Whoever kills the most rabid squirrels this month is the winner, so they get to choose. Daisy's still there. You can see her little head peeking out.
She wants a chib watch. What does that mean?
Here, give me a chip.
Put it on her nose.
Huh? Oh, we've never done that before. That was cool.
Did she catch it in her mouth?
Huh?
Did she catch it in her
She
mouth?
caught half of it in her mouth, the other half fell on the floor. That was cool. She was like, that's cool. We've never done that before. We got to teach her how to like wait for it. Give me another one. I want to see if she'll do it again. Daisy, come up here. Come on.
What happened to your hand?
Where? Yeah, Nala got me. Huh? No? Stop. Okay, give me a couple for Chloe. She's Chloe. I rolled it down her face.
Chloe?
Chloe. Whoop. Daisy got it.
Are we going to church tomorrow?
If you want.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah. Do we have any nutty bars left?
I think so.
I don't really want to make another burger.
Are you in a sweet mood today?
Huh?
Are you in a sweet mood today?
Sweet mood? Yeah, why?
Because I can tell. What? Huh? I don't know.
Wasn't there like 6?
Or 4.
Okay, there's only 1 left. Did you eat them all?
No.
Don't lie to me. Did you eat them all?
No.
Don't lie to me.
I'm ashamed. I'll buy some more. Only $1. Hey, you drink half the grape juice.
That's not half the grape juice.
Yeah, it is.
No.
It's the only chocolate we had left. You were gonna shove that all in your mouth.
Mm-mm.
Mhm. Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Oh.
Can I do it?
Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. She like won't stand still.
She wants to eat it. Oh, why are you gonna call one? Here, let me try it with you. Please.
Throw it.
Oh, I gotta try this again. Chloe. Hey, Chloe, you're so slow.
She's like, and Daisy's like,
Okay. Well, I got fatter right in front of you guys. Okay. I even look a little stoned right now.
mm-mm. We don't smoke weed in this household.
No, we don't. But we smoke ribs.
No, we don't. We don't have a smoker.
I'm just kidding, okay?
We look like rich people to you.
Oh, yeah, not yet. Look at that cute face. We gotta go though, because
Yeah,
I'm
we
about to
should
poop
go.
my pants.
Me too.
Are you really?
Yeah. Cheers. See you guys.
Bye.